Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear memory on Android phone without deleting anything, right? So you have to just go to your Play Store, and here there is an app which is called Google Files, and this is officially by Google, so don't worry about that. Now this is it. Try to open this up and install, and just go and click on open. On the three dots you will go to the trash section. Now click on everything which is trash here. In this way you can just clear memory on Android phone without deleting. And as you can see here, this was around 4 GB of waste here, so I just clean up. Then just go to the clean here, and this is where you can just clean your memory. So here go and click on clear, and automatically everything will be deleted, right? Every trash icon or any spam folders, anything here. Now here you can also go and click on delete duplicates. So here in this way you will able to clear this. Same way you will find more application to do. So here unused application, large files and everything, right? And in this way you will able to clear memory. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.